Here's my setup, my TubeTech GS350 refractor that I use for visual, and it's mounted on this photographic tripod clamp. There's the harmonic drive for the deck, harmonic drive for the RA. The wires are just kind of hanging out, and there's my control board and the shield and the drivers. The GOTO mount is 1.5 kilograms. So my entire rig, minus the tripod, which the tripod is very light, is about 3 kilograms. And the motors don't even get warm. So theoretically, I think you could actually use a smaller stepper than this one, as long as you're going to keep it light. I just have to watch this the first time to make sure it wasn't going to collide with anything. Okay, almost there. And let me check. Let's see. So 52 degrees altitude, 178 degrees on the compass. So let's see how close we are here. It's 50, so it's within 1/2 degree. 50